Title: The Two Wives. Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived two women. Their names were Mera and Leela. Both were married to men who worked hard, but their lives were very different. Meras Life. Mera lived in a small house with her husband, Raj. Raj was a farmer. Every day he worked in the fields, planting crops, watering them, and making sure they grew well. Mera helped him sometimes, but mostly she stayed at home. She cleaned the house, cooked food, and took care of their children. Mera was a kind woman. She loved her family very much. But Mera was often sad. Raj didn't talk to her much. He was always tired after working all day, and when he came home, he just wanted to eat and sleep. Mera tried to talk to him, but Raj didn't listen. He was always thinking about his work. Mera wished she could have someone to talk to. She loved her husband, but she felt lonely. She dreamed of having a friend, someone she could share her thoughts and feelings with. Leela's Life. Leela lived in a bigger house. Her husband, Kumar, was a shopkeeper. He owned a shop in the village where people came to buy rice, sugar, spices, and many other things. Kumar earned good money, and Leela didn't have to worry about anything. She had a lot of time to do what she wanted. But Leela wasn't happy either. She didn't have children, and her house was always quiet. Kumar was busy with his shop, and he spent most of his day there. When he came home, he talked about his business, the people who came to his shop, and how much money he made. Leela listened, but she didn't care about these things. She wanted to talk about her dreams, her thoughts, and her feelings, but Kumar never asked her how she felt. Like Mera, Leela also felt lonely. She had everything she needed, but something was missing. She wanted more from life. The meeting. One day, there was a festival in the village. People from all over the village came to the big field to celebrate. There was music, dancing, and lots of food. Everyone was happy. Mera and Leela both went to the festival with their husbands. As they walked around the field, they saw many people they knew. But soon, Mera and Leela found themselves standing near each other. They didn't know each other well, but they smiled and said hello. "How are you?" Mera asked. "I'm fine, thank you." Leela replied, "And you?" "I'm okay," Mera said, though she didn't really feel okay. They started talking about small things, about the festival, about the weather, about the food. But as they talked, they began to realize they had more in common than they thought. Both of them were lonely. Both of them wanted more from life. And both of them felt like their husbands didn't understand them. A growing friendship. After the festival, Mera and Leela kept thinking about each other. They didn't see each other often, but one day Mera decided to visit Leela. She walked to Leela's house and knocked on the door. "Hello, Mera," Leela said, surprised but happy. "Come in, please." They sat together and talked. At first, they talked about the village and the people they knew. But soon they started talking about their feelings. "I love Raj," Mera said, "but he doesn't talk to me. He's always busy with his work." "I understand," Leela said. "Kumar is the same. He's always thinking about his shop. I feel so alone sometimes." As they talked, they felt a bond growing between them. They understood each other in a way their husbands couldn't. They became close friends. They started visiting each other more often, sharing their thoughts and feelings. For the first time in a long time, they didn't feel lonely. The problem. But as their friendship grew, there was a problem. Raj and Kumar didn't like it. They didn't understand why their wives needed to spend so much time together. "Why do you go to Leela's house so often?" Raj asked Meera one day. "She's my friend," Meera said. "We talk about things." "Don't you have enough work to do at home?" Raj asked. "Why do you need to spend time with her?" Meera didn't know how to explain. She tried to tell Raj that she felt lonely, but Raj didn't listen. He didn't understand. At the same time, Kumar was asking Leela similar questions. "Why do you need to visit Meera so much?" Kumar asked. "You have everything you need here. You don't need her." "But I need a friend," Leela said. "I need someone to talk to." Kumar didn't understand either. He thought Leela should be happy with her life. He didn't see why she needed more. The argument. One day, Raj and Kumar met each other in the village. They started talking about their work, but soon the conversation turned to their wives. "Your wife spends a lot of time with my wife," Raj said. "Yes, I know," Kumar replied. "I don't understand it." "Neither do I," Raj said. "Meera should be happy at home. She doesn't need to go out so much." Kumar nodded. "Leela is the same. I don't know why she needs to see Meera so often." The two men agreed that their wives were spending too much time together. They decided to talk to them and tell them to stop. The confrontation that evening, Raj came home and told Meera, "I don't want you to go to Leela's house anymore. You should stay at home and take care of the children." Meera was shocked. "But Raj, Leela is my friend. We talk and help each other." "You don't need her," Raj said. "You have work to do here." She didn't understand why Raj didn't see how important her friendship with Leela was. She tried to explain, but Raj didn't want to listen. At the same time, Kumar was telling Leela the same thing. "I don't want you to see Meera so much," he said. "You should be happy with your life here." Leela was angry. "Kumar, you don't understand. Meera is my friend. I need someone to talk to." But Kumar didn't listen either. He thought Leela should be happy with her life and didn't need a friend. The decision. Meera and Leela were both upset. They didn't want to stop seeing each other, but they didn't want to fight with their husbands either. They decided to meet and talk about what to do. "I don't know what to do," Meera said. "Raj doesn't understand how much our friendship means to me." "Neither does Kumar," Leela said. "But I don't want to lose our friendship." They sat in silence for a while, thinking. Finally, Meera spoke. "I think we should talk to them together," she said. "Maybe if we explain how we feel, they will understand." Leela agreed. "Yes, let's do that." The talk. The next day, Meera and Leela asked Raj and Kumar to meet them. They all sat down together, and Meera and Leela explained how they felt. "We love you," Meera said to Raj, "but we need more than just work and family. We need friends. Leela is my friend, and talking to her makes me feel happy." Leela nodded. "It's the same for me," she said to Kumar. "I love you, but I also need someone to talk to. Meera understands me in a way that you can't." Raj and Kumar listened. At first, they didn't say anything. They didn't understand why their wives felt this way. But as they listened more, they began to realize that Meera and Leela were right. "We didn't know you felt this way," Raj said. "We thought you were happy with your lives," Kumar added. "We are happy," Leela said, "but we need more than just our homes. We need each other." Raj and Kumar looked at each other. They didn't want to admit it, but they knew their wives were right. They had been so focused on their work that they hadn't thought about how lonely Mira and Leela might feel. A new understanding. After the talk, things began to change. Raj and Kumar started to understand that their wives needed more than just a house and family. They needed friends, too. Mira and Leela continued to see each other, but now Raj and Kumar didn't mind. They saw that their wives were happier when they spent time together. Mira and Leela's friendship grew stronger, and they felt less lonely. They still loved their husbands, but they also had each other, and that made their lives better. The end. In the end, Mira and Leela learned that it's important to have someone to talk to. They taught Raj and Kumar that friendship is important even in marriage. And together, they all lived happier lives in the little village.